Challenge, working with mentors in the industry, as well working with our staff here. And you're just going to come in and you're going to be working in the space. We'll talk more about that challenge, but why don't we just go around and just introduce yourselves and we'll go from there.
The thing that made me want to apply for this program was basically experimenting with new things, the machines, and making the transportation device, because it sounds like a really cool experience and I want to be part of it.
Cool.
Well, the reason I want to research this program is because I want to be an engineer when I grow up.
Okay.
I was interested in the hands-on learning, and it's cool, like, experiencing something.
The reason TechForce is part of this is because we have a mission to help students get to and through their education in the transportation industry. So there's lots of opportunities when it comes to transportation. There's, as you said, there's engineering opportunities, there's coding opportunities, but there's also opportunities to design cars, work on cars on the road, and that's also not just limited to cars. There's trucks, there's boats, there's motorcycles, there's race cars. There's all these different opportunities for a career.
So you know how the regular buildings have a lot of pillars in the bottom?
Yeah.
You can put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one in the middle so it stands up. You know what I mean?
We can start by forming a sort of square shape, and then by that we should go off and layer these on top.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to test David, and David has to last 10 seconds on your tower. So there's multiple ways to be successful. If A, David stands on the tower. If B, you made the height requirement, and C, if you exceeded the height requirement.
Oh no, it's not gonna stay.
Well, you can lay it however you want. So breathe. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. All right, good job.
The tower challenge, I liked it because it helped us show how we worked as a team, and it also made us think of how to solve problems.
I learned that it's a good idea to take into consideration other people's ideas.
It's really interesting to see them really, now that they're sourcing materials, starting to brainstorm and figuring out how those materials are actually going to stick together, because it's not easy to make plastic stick to glass to stick to cardboard, and so figuring that out. And so that's what they're working on now, is really starting to take their designs and make them a working project.
We're not necessarily supposed to make it crash proof. We have to make it so when it crashes into a wall, the person inside or the object won't break or be harmed.
It's such an opportunity, and it feels so great to be here because you get to create whatever you want, and you get to really put your ideas into how you can make your project better.
So Trevor Browne students have been working for the past 12 weeks on a TechForce Transportation Challenge, working on crash test car prototypes. They've been working in the wood shop, the lasers, the 3D printers, and they actually are going to be testing their crash test vehicles today.